Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tech Titan Reviews, where we explore the latest and greatest in the world of gadgets. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated iPad Mini 7, set to redefine portable technology. With the A17 Pro chip on board, this device promises not just enhancements, but a groundbreaking experience for users. Rumors suggest the Mini 7 will enhance this further, focusing on better brightness, color accuracy, and potentially a higher refresh rate for smoother scrolling. The iPad Mini 7 is expected to retain its 8.3-inch display size, but with a twist. Improved resolution and refresh rates may elevate user interaction. With a focus on seamless touch responses, this tablet could become an essential tool for professionals and casual users alike. Apple might also introduce new color options that resonate with contemporary aesthetics, attracting a broader audience. Imagine a sleek, modern tablet that not only performs well, but looks stunning too. At the heart of the iPad Mini 7 lies the A17 Pro chip, a powerhouse designed to enhance performances significantly. This chip is expected to improve processing speeds, enabling faster launches and smoother multitasking. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a creative, the A7 Pro chip could change how you interact with your device. Storage has always been a crucial consideration for users, and the iPad Mini 7 is likely to offer familiar options ranging from 64GB to 256GB. Pricing is always a hot topic with new releases. While Apple has yet to announce official figures, speculation suggests that the iPad Mini 7 might maintain a price structure similar to the iPad Mini 6. As for when we can expect this exciting new gadget, many enthusiasts are predicting a launch in early 2024, possibly aligning with Apple's spring event. The anticipation is palpable, and fans are eager for an official announcement. Another area of focus is the camera system. The iPad Mini 7 is expected to feature improved camera capabilities, enabling stunning photography and videography. Whether you're taking quick snapshots or recording videos for social media, enhanced camera specs will allow you to capture every moment beautifully. With every new device, Apple also rolls out exciting software innovations. The iPad Mini 7 is anticipated to run on the latest version of iPadOS, which will likely come with new features tailored to enhance productivity and creativity. Battery life is crucial for any portable device, and Apple continues to excel in this area. The iPad Mini 7 is rumored to offer improved battery efficiency, allowing users to enjoy their device for longer periods without worrying about frequent charging. As we wrap up today's discussion, it's clear that the iPad Mini 7 is shaping up to be an exciting release in 2024. With its sleek design, powerful A17 Pro chip, and enhanced features, it promises to elevate the user experience. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share,